Welcome to Twilight Zone, ladies and gentlemen. This is what PA look like. Behind Kalahari. We went to Wawa, go get some food, and this is the back roads. This is the route GPS told us to come. Please, the mayor, the governor of PA, put more lights on your road. Please, put more lights on your road. We can't see the deers. The deers are staring at us. Look, I just passed one. Couldn't see on the camera, but I seen it. The deers is looking at us like, these niggas crazy. They're out here driving at this time. What the hell? These niggas crazy. Who the hell are these niggas? New Yorkers. No wonder. They're looking at the license plate. These days is crazy. There's like 7 of them over here on the porch. They all grilling us with bandanas on. But the Wawa food was good. But let me stop talking. I just want you to watch it. I got the windows down. I'm gonna put it up. This is I'm gonna title this. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this, but I'm gonna title this Scary Night Drive. Time is 11:34 p.m. Sunday. You can't even see the signs. Deer crossing, that means. I don't want no goddamn deer crossing. Folks who have kids, it's a wise thing to always keep a blanket in your car. They know our names, but like, comment, and subscribe. This dark road, and the speed limit go from 45 to 50 to 55, and back to 45. now. He started it for a while after school.
No, this is not the closest one.
Oh. They get like you, they're like, hey man, that was nasty. This one got better stars. It's only 20 minutes, come on. I see why they got the household lit up with them shits. You gotta be able to see. You ever text a girl back off the job?
Yeah,
Oh.
so I'm not in one county. I won't be back till tomorrow night.
You're supposed to attention driver. You get my day off. Which is Tuesday, right? Yeah, man. She told me I have to follow her back. I was looking at her on Instagram. What was that girl, Keisha? Cops following her next thing you know, she's celebrating the little girl's 31-year-old birthday. And I'm like, what, girl?
Oh, it's her time?
Yeah. Huh? Well, she got a kid and everything now?
Yeah, she just. Well, I think he probably about to be too.
I said that shit a couple of years ago. Back when I didn't know her. I said a couple of years, you'll be pregnant. I said, just like that on her page. We got back faster than we were coming. But it was that rain. You know they got their own Pocono Police Department.
What? Really?
We passed it. Yeah, everything's a straight ride. Until you get like, so it's another point. There's like a weird turn.
Use the right lane to take the Pennsylvania 314 ramp, then turn right onto Pennsylvania 314 East.
I think that's the exit right there.
Okay, we should be back.
We made it. I was praying.
Turn right onto Pennsylvania 314 East. Signs for Pocono Manor, Swiftwater.
Oh yeah, Swiftwater. Oh my God.
This is a hill.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Kalahari Boulevard.
Hey, mommy, you gotta sleep with your bands on. You gotta sleep with your wristband on. You can't take it off. We're going back to the arcade tomorrow.
Take the next right onto Kalahari Boulevard.
Then you can't go back.
part where everybody got confused at, right?
Stop. They just kept going.
Only people that work here don't do that. For all my workers, all my coworkers, always pass that stop sign over there. They never come in the driveway 5 miles per hour. Cause you know you got a little jurisdiction over here. If you work here, you got a little jurisdiction. Cops really can't mess with you like that because it's like they don't know if you're a guest or not. And that's one thing too. I'm starting to realize. Cops don't want to mess. Like if you stay in you can get in trouble. Don't get me wrong. But let's say you paying money at a good hotel. Cops don't really want to mess with you because you're giving them revenue. You're giving the town revenue.
Oh.
Yeah, so they don't want to really mess
In
with you like
800
that.
feet, turn left to stay on Kalahari Boulevard.
Can I turn over here?
And we can have cops not give you a ticket because you park in the handicap space. With no handicap sign. Hey, this is how you came in. Double chain. Like you on this side. Oh, you parked
In 400 feet, make a U-turn.
So I can't park closer?
Take the next right.
Oh yeah, right here.
For real?
You go in here. There's no other cars. There's more open. But that's up to you. I think there's like 2, 3 over here.
Close? Oh, I
Right
see
here.
one right here.
Oh, something here. I was on the side right here.
This is how we got in, right?
Yeah, right there.
Right here, right?
Double cut.
So I'll come park right here.
Can we see the car from here? We behind it. Yeah, we're on top of that shit. Yeah, ready? Now we're almost coming upstairs, so when we come back, I gotta pretty much know. Oh, this is where the cops is at, right?
Yeah, over here somewhere. Oh yeah, they was like right here.
Yeah, cause you park over there, yeah. Now it's gonna be cold. You wanna move your blanket? You wanna walk your blanket? Are you good?
Tired.
He pissed off. Hey, listen, man, I'm ready to go. Tomorrow I gotta come back and fix this car up. That's a damn shame to looking like that.